Hi, I'm Ben McSheffrey, and I'm the Technical Training Manager for Symmons Industries. And today, I'll demonstrate how to install the Symmons Rapid Install Bracket for the Temptrol shower valve. The Rapid Install Bracket is the best way to install a Temptrol shower valve, not only because it's durable and easier to mount, but because the bracket ensures that the valve body is installed at the proper roughen dimension in the finished wall so that your trim fits perfectly. You can get the Rapid Install Bracket separately or as a factory installed option on any Temptrol shower valve. It's flame resistant, so you can solder the piping with the valve attached, and it fits inside a wall as small as 2x3. If the valve is not factory installed to your bracket, just attach it with the 2 self-tapping screws on the stringer mounts on the valve. Then, attach the 4 metal straps to the preset screws on the bracket. Be sure you know the finished position of the valve, then mount the straps to the wall using screws. The straps can be bent around the studs for added strength. Then, just pipe the valve as you normally would. It's that simple. If you have any questions related to the installation of this or any Symmons product, do not hesitate to call our technical support team at 1-800-SYMMONS. On behalf of the entire team at Symmons, thanks and have a great day.